In today's ever-evolving regulatory landscape, are you confident that your organization is truly compliant, or do you fear the looming specter of costly penalties and reputational damage? Becoming a certified regulatory and compliance professional, CRCP, could be the game changer you've been seeking. Without a dedicated regulatory and compliance professional, organizations risk hefty fines, legal battles, and irreparable damage to their reputation. Employees left unguided in regulatory compliance can inadvertently expose your company to significant risks. For individuals, a lack of regulatory and compliance knowledge can hinder career growth and leave you ill-equipped to navigate the intricate web of regulations, potentially jeopardizing your professional standing. But fear not. The Certified Regulatory and Compliance Professional, CRCP certification course, is your beacon of hope, equipping you with the tools to establish a robust compliance culture and ensure your organization operates within the boundaries of the law. By the end of this comprehensive training, your organization will have a solid framework for identifying and mitigating regulatory risks, fostering an environment of integrity, and safeguarding against costly legal repercussions. As an individual, you'll gain invaluable expertise in interpreting and applying complex regulations, developing effective compliance programs, and upholding the highest standards in your day-to-day operations. Don't let regulatory compliance challenges hold you back any longer. Embrace the power of knowledge and register for the Certified Regulatory and Compliance Professional (CRCP) certification course today. Your path to regulatory excellence starts here.